No, more. We have to just.
So your brother ATM still.
No, okay. Then what's that? What's
Your brother ATM still in the machine.
Okay,
So, mga
okay.
kabarbers, napainom yung
Kabarbers. Yes.
Again, did you?
No. Maybe he's blogger. Yeah, he's blogger.
Is a blogger?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Is a blogger good?
Yeah, subscribe. Thank you very much. You can subscribe.
Yes, yes. I have so many bloggers coming to my shop. Food blogger. Every day, food blogger coming to my shop.
Okay. Well, give your.
I want to go your shop.
Huh?
I want to go.
Yeah?
You want you come to
No. It's my boss. No. It's just Ramadan. We don't have too much.
Not now.
Yeah, no problem. No problem with time.
His number.
Yeah, with time we can do.
But he is blogging about himself only.
Yeah, you see? He said you are not a food blogger.
Yeah, he's blogger. No, he's monetized already.
Really?
Yeah, real.
Mga kabarbers,
Real.
Really?
napasyat yung mga kabarbers.
Really.
So mga ano namin, mga kasama namin. Yan.
Yes, really. He's a blogger. Ganyan is a blogger.
Bagyo, patayin kita.
Lovely? What you say?
Patayin kita.
Mapatay yung vlogger, oh.
Patayin yung blogger.
Patayin kita.
Mapatayin ang vlogger. Paano ba? Babalakan.
napapatulan na.
Mapatayin. So yan, this is lovely. Ang brother.
Brother,
Brother,
sister.
So, mga kabarbers, ayan,
Family.
napasyat yung,
Oh, Rehat.
ano nyo,
Yeah.
barbers.
Then big boss, you see? I do Coca-Cola, big boss.
Yeah.
See one of these bloggers. Guys, we are taking people out, coming to the sending them out from you. He's blogging everything.
Lovely.
Barbero means barbershop.
Why your name is Love?
Because
Because
I'm
he
a
is
gift from God. I'm lovely. I love everyone.
From
That is why my name is Lovely.
where you take your name?
He's blogging
My
everything.
name is from the dictionary.
Huh?
Yeah. If you like to check about my name, you can Google my name. Check what is the reason of lovely. And then there you will get so many reasons of lovely.
So many names lovely.
Lovely. So
But
many
we don't know
reasons.
how it extends that name lovely. We'll go. How it will extend that name
Because
lovely.
lovely is lovely.
Yes. Your father,
Lovely
mother
is
give you
love.
lovely because you are the loving.
Yeah, that's right. Who's laughing there? Why you are laughing and then you are laughing?
Brother, what is your name?
I'm called Andrew.
Paul.
Andrew E.
I'm called Andrew.
Andre.
Andrew E.
You know,
Yes,
Andrew Young. They call it Andrew Young, not Andrew E.
Ah.
They call it Andrew Young.
Because we have in the Philippines Andrew E. He's rapper.
Ah, really?
Really?
Yeah,
You want to
the
know?
Philippines.
Okay,
Ah,
then, in Philippines you have Andrew E, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
right.
But in Africa we have Andrew Young.
Andrew Young.
Yes, Andrew Young.
From the Philippines, Andrew A. Into Africa. Africa. From in the Philippines, Andrew A. Into go to Africa, Andrew Young.
See?
No, wait. We'll go to YouTube.
Yeah, this one, yeah, that's the type.
You make me like this with a mask, and you don't ask me to take away my mask.
What mask?
What is this? See, I'm wearing mask and I'm
Andrew,
wearing that
like
glove.
this.
Okay, no problem. You're wearing mask outside.
No.
Here, no problem.
After
Why
Andrew
you
is
don't
too young.
take out your mask?
Ah,
Here?
I'm
Andrew
wearing
Young.
here.
No need. Why?
No, put
It
you
was
and.
here in my chin just
Oh,
now, and
you
I like
in
my
the-
mask on.
Yeah, I see. Yeah. See, I'm Andrew Young. And not Andrew Young. It's Andrew Young, not
I
S.
have mask also.
Yeah, this is mask.
You are.
Yeah.
That's the name, Andrew Young. You see?
It's inside.
That is
I
that.
want to
Yes,
wash
you
the
see.
mask.
That's Andrew Young.
But I'm
In your country.
Filipino, right?
Not in my country. Everybody call you Andrew Young.
But in the
Okay. But you see people, what are people that are white, you see? They're not
When
black.
are you watching there?
So what you want?
So that is my name, Andrew Young. Yes.
but what I'm saying is our
Yeah, you say in Philippines, Andrew E.
yeah, our
Yeah, you say Andrew E. Song. Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Better. Yeah?
We'll see what is this.
Okay, yeah.
Da. Oh.
You want to sing again?
the king of
Da. Ah.
Ah.
Da. Oh. Good.
Wah.